The interlocutor in such hardware finds a response. He says the man is talking about physics, but it's the man's area of expertise. Now, if discussing physics not our field, if chemistry not our expertise. As theologians, we occasionally attempt to behave like enlightened theologians with rumors, and he is deceived by it. You see a theologian, but he becomes an evolutionist. So now he's selling disbelief. Why has it turned upside down? Because when he doesn't know, someone else convinces him that existence was formed through random blind processes called science, and he tries to integrate it into his religion. Poor thing. The awful situation we are currently in is such a predicament, but the cause of this is our initial button. We tied the first button wrong. We prevented ourselves from reading the life that Allah the Exalted and Majestic taught us, whereas life is also the life of Allah to be read together.